Hey guys, this episode we're going to be talking about how we fixed a bug in the Pay Rails engine and give you a little insight into how we did the debugging process for this, because this was a tricky one and I wanted to show you kind of the thought process and the problem solving that we did to figure it out. So Colin and I worked on this past week. I've attempted this a few times and just didn't come to the right conclusion the first couple of attempts. So I was really happy to solve this, and it was a really subtle bug. So let's talk about Pay. Pay has subscriptions, payments. You have connections to webhooks as well. So when you subscribe and the subscription gets canceled automatically or whatever happens, we listen to webhooks, and a subscription will come in and it will update the record in the database. So for Jumpstart Rails, we have it so that you can create a subscription for a license, so you can get access to Jumpstart Pro, the Rails version, or iOS or Android. And when your subscription ends, we can remove you from the GitHub repository to remove your access. So in order to do that, we added a webhook in Pay. So if we go into the docs and go into webhooks, you can see